How to change your email on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can change your email address on Facebook. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The process to change your email address on Facebook is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook app, and once you launch Facebook, go to the menu page over here. And as you go to the menu page, you have to scroll down to the bottom, so go to settings and privacy, and you want to go to settings. And as soon as you go to settings, you'll see all these options. Just go to personal information. Once you select personal information, again you want to go ahead and then tap on contact info. Once you select contact info, you can see that this is my current primary email address. In order to change the email address, you have to add another email address and then make that email address your primary. Only then you'll be able to remove this email address, because as long as this current email address is our primary email address, we will not be able to change it. So first of all, what we will do is we will go ahead and select add email address, and we will simply enter a new email address which we want to use. Once you enter the new email address which you want to use, select add email address button which you see over here. And just select add email address, as you can see right over here. Now what we will do is we will make that email address our primary email address. So select the new email address which you added, and over here you can see make primary option. So you might need to confirm this process before doing this. It will ask you for a verification link or code. So I will go ahead and simply select make primary over here. Once I select make primary, now you can see that new email address has been set as our primary email address. Now if you want, you can leave that as it is, but you can go ahead and remove this another old email address which we had previously. So you can go ahead and then simply enter and reload this and then remove that old email address as well. So if it's not showing the changes, just go ahead, close Facebook and then reload it. Again, repeat the same process. Go to the menu page, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, go to personal information, go to contact info, select the old email address, and now you can simply select remove over here and select remove email button at the very top of the screen, which means now our old email is going to actually be removed and only our new email address is going to remain here. And this is simply how you can change your email on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.